Hey there, it's August 30th, 2023, and I wanted to give you guys a Hurricane Idalia update. It finally passed, and the tank did absolutely great. We did very well as compared to people in Steenhatchee. I hate to say it, but I think Steenhatchee did terrible, and I'm hoping they're praying for those people because the video that I saw did not look good. They flooded quite a bit there, and other places too, and I really haven't seen the extent of the news, but I just wanted to give you guys the update like I said I would. I did some video in the morning. It really just shows you the wind. The trees here don't really move a whole lot, and when they do, you know that we had some wind picking up, but we did not see what a lot of people saw, and so for us it was just a lot of wind and rain, and a lot of down tree. That we had a lot of branches. Like we had a big branch that hit the shed, and unfortunately I didn't get a picture of that for this video, but I went around checking on things, and I got caught in a little gust that burst. That burst, and I ran and kind of got things dropped in front of me, and I was like, whoa. So I should not have been outside. That's number one. And then, so in the end, this is sort of what we looked like. The tank did well. We didn't suffer any injury on the house. The shed did, of course. There was a big branch that fell on the shed, and it imprinted on the side of it, and I do apologize for not showing that damage, but it wasn't the house, and really that was what this video was about, was the tank. But we did well, and I pray for those people in Steenhatchee. I know that they are suffering there, and here around town most people lost power. So power is out everywhere. My brother sent me this photo because he took it on the way home, but he stayed here as well last night, but on the way back he saw a bunch of that, and there's a lot of people without power. People from work let me know that they're without power, so we're very, very lucky. I wanted to say thanks for watching. I know these are kind of a bit much sometimes, but anyway, hey, we made it through, and thanks for staying tuned.